Hello guys, and welcome to Money Beast 254, where we give you legit ways on how you can make or earn extra income online. And today we're going to have a look on this amazing platform where you can earn an interest of up to 17% annually when you hold your cryptocurrencies on this particular website by the name Nexo. It's a very trusted one and a very legit one, yeah. As you can see, an interest and daily interest on your crypto and euro and gbpx and usdx daily when you hold up to 70% annual interest, unique daily payout, 375 million insurance on all custodial assets, add or withdraw funds anytime. Yeah, the best thing with Nexo is that you can be able to withdraw your funds anytime, anywhere you are. Yeah, you don't have to. And then when you withdraw, when you cash out, you get your money in a matter of minutes or hours. So yeah, it's a very legit site, and a site that has been in operation for quite some time. Also, you can be able to borrow cash or stablecoins. Yeah, collateralize your crypto and borrow instantly with Nexo's crypto credit lines. Interest starting from 0% APR. Yeah, so a minimum of $50 and a maximum of $2 million, and you get automatically being approved, no credit checks. So you can be able to borrow against your stable coins. Yeah, so maybe let's say, for example, you have your coins here, maybe cryptocurrencies here, maybe Bitcoin, and then maybe you can now borrow against your stable coins. Yeah, and you can see that the interest rate is as low as 0%. Yeah, and you can borrow a minimum of $50 and a maximum of $2 million, and there is no credit checks. You can see your withdrawal is instantly processed. Yeah, there is nothing like waiting. Yeah, your withdrawal is instantly processed. Yeah, you can withdraw, you can deal with all these kind of currencies. Yeah, so just have a look at the site. Your digital assets are just a swipe away. The only card that lets you spend the value. So you can also have your card with Nexo. Yeah, accepted by 40 million merchants worldwide. Instant 2% cashback on all purchases. Flexible repayment options. Free virtual cards. Actually, when you open the Nexo account, you're going to be given a free virtual cards. Payments in local currencies, no monthly or annual fees, no fixed fees. So there is no way that maybe you expect that you're going to wake up and maybe you're charged maybe annually or monthly, or no, there is no additional fees. And actually, by holding your cryptocurrencies here, you earn interest each and every day. So it's a very amazing site, the ultimate security for your digital assets. Nexo platform is equipped with a top quality security infrastructure designed to ensure maximum protection of assets at all times. Yeah, so military grade security, storage held in military grade, class 3 votes, third party audits, independent real-time reserves, audit by Armanino, 375 million insurance on custodial assets. Yeah, it's registered, certified, ISO 27001 2013, impeccable risk assessment, data protection, and enhanced cyber security. So what do you need to do? So you just need to create your Nexo account, and then maybe you can deposit or you can transfer your crypto, and then from there you start your borrowing or your trading, where you hold your currencies here and then you earn interest or you borrow against your cryptocurrencies. So that's it, guys. Just make sure that when you create the account, make sure you go through the policies to understand more, and you're going to get something good out of it. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for always following and listening to our videos. If you like this video, kindly like, share, and